What's good, everybody? It's your boy Steezus, and we are back with episode 3 of What's New with New Era Cap. On today's show, we're talking about the official MLB On-Field Independence Day caps, MLB All-Star, NBA Authentics Draft Series caps, NFL training, and you guys asked for it, the Toy Story collection. Make sure you're subscribed so you stay up to date with all the latest caps that we got dropping. In this episode, we got special guests, New Era Cap Ambassador and third baseman for the LA Dodgers, Mr. Justin Turner. What's good, brother? How you doing?
What's up, Steve? How you doing?
Good, bro. Good to see you.
Good to be here. Always good to be in the lab.
Let's get into the first collection. The official MLB Independence Day collection takes a twist on the old Cooperstown logos. On the front, you'll find the team logo with stars and stripes, but on the side, we've got the National League and American League logos, and the back, cool little stars and stripes as well. These caps obviously will be worn on field on Independence Day weekend, but you can also rock these for 4th of July, whether you're out at a barbecue, kicking it with your boys, or just going out to celebrate the day. Make sure you grab yours at neweracap.com. All right, bro. So my favorite part of the cap is the old, OG throwback Cooperstown logo. What do you really enjoy about this year's Independence Day collection?
There's a couple things I enjoy about the cap. First of all, the way they fit. I mean, it fits so nice and perfect. And growing up as a kid, you didn't always find those hats that fit too good. You had the tall hats that sat way up, or you had the shallow hats that felt like it was snugging on your head. So
absolutely.
Just the fit is perfect. And then I think this is a nice little touch on the back. You know, the stars and stripes and the MLB logo.
I had to mention that too, man.
Yeah, that's pretty special and unique right there. So that's probably my 2 favorite things about it.
That's dope, man. Now you've been in the game for a while. What are some of your favorite on-field moments from playing during Independence Day, and just what does that mean to you?
Well, one of the cool things about being a Dodger is every 4th of July we get to play a home game. So for as long as I can remember, we've always played here. And even when I was with the Mets, I think 2 of the 3 years I was there, we were out here for the 4th of July. Mm-hmm. And it's always a big party in Dodger Stadium. You drive down, you come through Elysian Park and it's packed. You can barely drive through there. You go to the game, sold out crowd. And then you just think about, hot dogs and nachos and we'll say cold drinks.
Yeah, cold beverages.
And then obviously America's pastime, baseball game going on. And then the real buzz comes at the end of the game when everyone's starting to get fired up for those fireworks. And they do a great job.
You can see those all, I've been in LA now for about 8 years. You can see those from anywhere in the city too.
Yeah, it's incredible.
It's amazing, man. Now you grew up in Southern California, right?
Yeah.
What is it like to you? Because you say you played for the Mets and you're back at the Dodgers now. What does LA mean to you?
It's home. It's home, and it's such a Dodger town. Like I said, I played for the Mets and I was in New York, and when you play for the Mets in New York, it's a Yankee town. You know what I mean? Especially, the last 10, 15 years. So to come to LA and to have it be a Dodger town, no matter what time of year, whether it's in the middle of the season in July or you're going shopping for Christmas and trying to find Christmas gifts, you see the, Fernando Valenzuela jerseys, the Ron Cey, the Sandy Koufax, the Clayton Kershaw jerseys. They're everywhere all year round, and it's just a great feeling to know that we have such a huge fan base that, live and bleed Dodger blue every single day of the year. 100%.
That's one of those things, man. I'm originally from Kansas City, and we have, Royals pride as well, but being in LA, it's year round. 365, everybody takes pride in, the Dodgers and just the home team, and really shows love, man.
Yeah, it's remarkable. It really is.
Now I do have to ask you this, because I'm a hat guy myself. I wear hats pretty much every waking hour of the day.
Yeah.
What is your hat size? And I know you have to wear them on field. Are you a guy that likes to rock them outside as well? When you're just out and about running errands, do you always have a cap on, or how do you run it?
Always have a hat on.
Hell yeah, that's what I like to hear.
And for hat size, I'm a 7 1/4.
Okay.
And usually if I have to choose between a fitted hat or a snapback, I kind of lean towards the snapback.
Oh, really?
But yeah, growing up as a kid, it was, the snapbacks were easy to get. It was
Exactly.
finding the fitted hats
Yep.
that, you know,
And they were a
kind of
little bit
set you
cheaper,
apart
too.
from everyone, you know
For
what
sure.
I mean? So there's definitely something special about
That's
the fitted.
dope, man. See, I got a big head. You know, I got these dreads and all that, so I wear an 8. It's a little bit harder for me to find a lot of things in my
Ooh,
size.
an 8.
But hey, come on, bro. We're not going to hat shame me right now.
I'm not hat shaming. That's just unique. You don't see that.
Nah, that's all love, bro. I appreciate you taking the time to come through, man. I know you got a game to get to, but thank you so much for
Thanks for
stopping
having me.
by, brother.
Of course. Good to see
Okay,
you.
Thank you. This year, New Era, in conjunction with MLB, has come up with an all-new cap design for the MLB All-Star game, which will be worn on field on July 9th. These caps feature silver stars on each side of the logo, and there's actually a liquid chrome guitar logo on the side, which represents Cleveland, which is the home of the All-Star game this year, and their ties to the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame. A cool little added element to this for me is the piping on the top. It actually gives it a real a classic look. And I think that with all the different teams and all the different colorways, you can really make this your own, and you don't have to just run it for All-Star. So make sure you hit the link in the description below to grab yours. The 2019 NFL Training Collection utilizes NE Tech, which is a lightweight, stretchy material which keeps you cool and also wicks away moisture. These will be worn during training and on the sidelines during preseason games. They've got the official logo on front with team color striping from the front to the back. And the back also features the NFL 100 logo to commemorate the NFL's 100th season. These caps are really dope, and I honestly think this is gonna be a good pickup. I really see this doing well in the summertime, and I really, really, really do enjoy this material. This cap and others like the bucket will be available on neweracap.com. Now this has to be my favorite collection to talk about this episode. It's the Toy Story collection. If you're like me and we won't say how old I am, but if you're in a certain age group, you grew up on Toy Story and just all the Pixar movies, but this one specifically holds a special place in my heart. I think it's really dope that New Era is doing things like this with these collections, and this is paying direct homage to the film and the most iconic characters from the movie. Obviously, we got our boy Woody right here. The cool thing is, you've got the hats that feature specific colorways for each individual character, and it really makes it's that much more special. And of course, we always have our iconic New Era sticker on the front. If you take this off, you're gonna have to answer to me. I mean that. But no, this is actually a really dope collection, in all honesty, man. It comes in so many different styles as well. So if you're into, 5950 or 950 snapback or, 920, whatever it is, there's something for you. And I feel like this collection kind of speaks to everybody, especially with the new movie dropping on June 21st. You really want to be somebody that can rock this into the theater and, hold your own. Let people know you ain't new to this, you're true to this. So make sure you shop your collection in the description below or at neweracap.com, whichever is easiest for you. All right, so last but not least, we're gonna talk about the NBA Authentics Draft Series caps. These caps are actually really dope. They come with the custom embroidered logo on the front for each team, and each cap also comes with the custom removable pin as well. On the side, you will find each team's name, the year it was established, and the team mantra. So for example, with the New York Knicks, we have New York Knicks, established 1946, New York, New York, New York forever. On the inside, you'll find custom stripe with each team's accent colors, and you'll also find that same stripe on the front of the cap as well. Now, these will be given to each draftee on June 20th at the Barclays Center. So if you want to be like your favorite draftee, make sure you grab yours now at neweracap.com. You can shop everything that you saw here today down in the link in the description below. I'm your boy Steezus. Make sure you follow me on all social media at _Steezus Christ. Special thanks to our boy Justin Turner for coming through and chopping it up for a little bit. And as always, thank you guys for tuning in. That's it for this episode of What's New with New Era Cap. We'll see you next time, but before you leave, make sure you drop a like, throw a comment down, and make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel. And tell a friend to tell a friend. Share this. We want to get this out to everybody. I'll see you guys next episode. Peace. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you want to watch any other videos, make sure you click right here. If you want to shop anything that you saw in this episode, click right here and make sure you hit the subscribe button.